Hey everyone, and welcome to this video on Top DevOps Certification for 2023 by Simplilearn. In this video, we will clear your doubt regarding the best DevOps certification you can choose to enter or advance in your career as a DevOps engineer. But before we begin, if you enjoy watching these type of videos and find them interesting, then subscribe to our YouTube channel as we bring out your best videos daily. Also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Simplilearn. So let's get started. The tech industry is evolving rapidly, and companies now prioritizing efficiency, scalability, and deployment. DevOps bridges the gaps between development and organization teams, ensuring seamless collaboration, faster development cycles, and quicker releases. In 2023, businesses are seeking innovative solutions to meet the ever-changing demands of customers, and that's where DevOps comes into play. It enables organizations to deliver faster, high-quality products faster, ultimately increasing customer satisfaction and maximizing profits. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and be the part of tech revolution, DevOps is the way to go. Do you know, guys, that DevOps engineer working in the United States earns around $120,000 per annum, and the same DevOps engineer in India earns around 8 lakh rupees annually. That's not the salary of a lead DevOps engineer. A lead DevOps engineer salary can go up to $172,000 in the United States and 22 lakh rupees per year in India. So moving forward, let's see some DevOps engineer roles and responsibilities. Now that we know why DevOps is a hot career choice, let's explore the roles and responsibilities of a DevOps engineer. As a DevOps engineer, you will be better at the heart of the development and operation process, driving collaboration and efficiency. Your primary responsibility will include the first one is continuous integration and deployment. You will design, implement, and manage automated pipeline to enable frequent and reliable code deployments. The second one is infrastructure management. DevOps engineers are responsible for managing and scaling the infrastructure, including cloud resources and on-premises system. The third one is monitoring and troubleshooting, ensuring the smooth functioning of application and identifying and resolving issues promptly. The fourth one is security and compliance, implementing security measures and ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. The fifth one is collaboration and communication, facilitating effective communication between deployment, operation, and other teams to ensure a smooth workflow. The sixth one is tooling and automation, selecting and implementing the right tools and technologies to automate processes and optimize development workflows. The last one is performance optimization, continuously analyzing and improving system in performance to enhance user experience. Remember, a DevOps engineer is not just a role, it's a mindset of continuous improvement and innovation. So moving forward, let's see some skills required for a DevOps engineer. Excited about the opportunity DevOps offers? Great. Now let's talk about the skills you will need to become a successful DevOps engineer. The first one is coding and scripting. Strong knowledge of programming languages like Python, Ruby, or JavaScript, and scripting skills are essential for automation tools and development. The second one is system administration. Familiarity with Linux, Unix, and the Windows systems, including configuration and troubleshooting. The third one is cloud computing. Proficiency in cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to deploy and manage applications in the cloud. Fourth one is containerization and orchestration. Understanding container technologies like Docker and container orchestration tools like Kubernetes is a must. The fifth one is continuous integration and deployment. Experience with CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, GitLab CI, or Circle CI to automate the development workflow. The sixth one is infrastructure as code (IAC). Knowledge of IAC tools like Terraform or Ansible to manage infrastructure programmatically. The last one is monitoring and logging. Familiarity with monitoring tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and logging solutions like ELK Stack. Acquiring these skills will not only make you a valuable DevOps engineer, but will also open doors to exciting job opportunities. So, the motive of this video is to help you guys choose the right course to enter or advance in DevOps in the future. On that note, we introduce you the postgraduate program in DevOps by Simplilearn. If you are eager to become DevOps engineer and propel your career to new heights, then Simplilearn postgraduate program in DevOps is undoubtedly the right choice for you. DevOps training course designed in collaboration with Caltech CTME is a professional development option that will square your skill with the industry standards. Our cutting-edge blended learning combines live online DevOps certification classes with interactive labs that will give you hands-on experience. The comprehensive DevOps training course will unlock your true potential, providing you with a solid foundation in formalizing and documenting development processes, along with creating a self-document system. The program will nurture your expertise in advanced tools like Puppet, Soltech, and Ansible, enabling you to achieve self-governance and automated management at scale. Upon successful completion, you will earn the coveted Caltech CTMA postgraduate certificate, a testament to your expertise in the DevOps domain. So start your DevOps journey by taking your step-by-step postgraduate program in DevOps that will prepare you for a DevOps engineer role. Thanks to a comprehensive curriculum covering everything such as Git, GitHub, Docker, CI/CD with Jenkins, Kubernetes, and much more. Join our vibrant community of DevOps professionals who have harnessed the power of Simplilearn postgraduate program to accelerate their career. Check out the links mentioned in the description box below and enroll now to become a successful DevOps engineer. Thank you for joining us today to explore the world of DevOps and the incredible career opportunity it presents. Remember, the tech industry is evolving rapidly and DevOps is the key to staying ahead in the game. So don't hesitate to embrace this exciting career path. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting tech related content. If you have any question or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy learning. I will see you again.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.